What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can make crypto portfolio. Well, first of all, we will know what actually is a crypto portfolio. So, portfolio means that you are actually investing in some sort of cryptocurrency. You hold some sort of assets from the cryptocurrency, and that thing is called as your portfolio. The crypto coins in which you have invested, that would be your portfolio. However, making a crypto portfolio is easy. Just buy some sort of cryptocurrency, hold some assets, and there you go. That is your crypto portfolio. So in order to do that, you have to first of all select whichever the cryptocurrency you want to choose. Just choose the cryptocurrency, invest in it. To invest, you have to have a wallet. You have to have a crypto exchange like Binance or Trust Wallet or any exchange, whichever allows you to buy cryptocurrency. And then buy the cryptocurrency, invest in it, and hold that cryptocurrency, and that cryptocurrency would be your portfolio. So that's very much it. That's how you be able to make crypto portfolio. Hope you guys find this video helpful.